To begin, we will start facing the bar with both of our hands placed on it. We will then do 4 plié relevés in a first position. Try it with me. Plié, relevé, 2, 3, and 4. Good. From there, we will then do 4 more plié relevés, except this time we'll be using our arm like this, in first, fifth, and open second. Try it with me. Plié, relevé, plié, relevé, plié, relevé, plié, relevé. Good. Now we will do plié relevés on one leg. To get there, we will do a plié and then switch our feet. We will now do 3 plié relevés in this position. Try it with me. Plié, relevé, plié, relevé, plié, relevé. Now we will extend the left leg, step onto it, so that we'll be ready to go on the left side. We will then do 3 more plié relevés in this position. Try it with me. Plié, relevé, plié, relevé, plié, relevé. Good. To finish, we will then go side to the bar and finish in a first position. Let's put all of that together. Facing the bar, we'll start with 4 plié relevés. Plié, relevé, plié, relevé, 3, 4. Now with arms, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll now switch to one leg. Plié, up, 2, 3, extend, and plié, up, 2, 3, and finish first. Good job. Let's try it with music. Plié, up, 3, 4. Arms, 1, 2, 3, 4. One leg, down, up, down, up, down, up, extend, switch, down, up, down, up, down, up, and first. Awesome job. Keep on practicing before you move on to the next section. For this next section, we will begin by doing tendus from first en croix with our arm in second. We'll go front, side, back, and side. Good, try it with me. Front and side and back and side. After that last one, we'll then close third. Now we'll be doing dégagés. Dégagé front, dégagé back, dégagé side. Try it with me. Arm up in arabesque and second. We'll then plié, sous-sus, and turn to go to the other side to repeat it. But first, let's put all of that together. Try it with me. Tendu 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Close third. Dégagé, 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 plié, sous-sus, and turn. We'll then finish in a first position to go to the left side. Let's try it to the left. Tendu, 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 tendu. Close third. Dégagé, 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 plié, sous-sus, and turn. We'll now be doing fondu relevés. Fondu relevé front, fondu relevé side, fondu relevé back. We'll then close sous-sus and turn away from the bar to go to the left side. We'll now do fondu relevé to the back, fondu to the side, fondu to the front, sous-sus, and turn towards the bar. Good. Try that with me. Fondu relevé, fondu side, back, sous-sus, away. Fondu back, fondu side, fondu front, sous-sus, towards the bar. Great. Let's try piecing that all together. Starting in a first position, arm in second. Tendu, side, back, side, close third. Dégagé, 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 plié, sous-sus, turn. Tendu, side, back, side, close third. Dégagé, 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 plié, and turn. Fondus, fondu, up, fondu, side, fondu, back, sous, turn. Fondu, up, fondu, up, fondu, up, sous, and turn. Great work. Let's try all of that with music. Ready? Tendu, tendu, back, side, dégagé, 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 plié, other side, and tendu, 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 third, dégagé, 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 plié, other side, fondu, relevé, fondu, side, back away from the bar, fondu, back, side, front towards the bar. Great work. You have now finished the second section. Keep on practicing so you'll be ready to put it all together. It's time to learn the third section. Make sure you have the first two sections before moving on. If you're feeling comfortable, let's go ahead and do it. In the last section, we finished in the third position. So to begin, we will start there and flex our right foot. We will then do frappés en croix. Frappé front, frappé side, frappé back, frappé side. Close third. We'll then do a grand-maman front, close, grand-maman side, close. Plié, sous, and turn to go to the left side. Frappé, side, back, side, close. Grand-maman and grand-maman, plié, sous, and turn. Let's try that together. Frappé front and back and side. Close third, grand-maman, close, grand-maman, plié, other side. Frappé, 2, 3, 4. Close, grand-maman, close, and grand-maman, plié, and turn. Good. The next part, we will be doing piqués. Piqué front, piqué side, piqué back, piqué side. Plié, sous, turn, left side. Piqué front, side, back, side. Plié, sous, and turn. To finish this section, we'll finish in a third position and place our hands on our hips. Good. Let's piece all of that together. Starting with frappés. Frappé 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Close, grand-maman, close, grand-maman, plié, other side. Frappé, 2, 3, 4. And grand-maman front and side, plié. Piqués, piqué, 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 plié, sous, left side, and front, side, back, side, plié, sous, plié, and finish. Great. Let's try that with some music. Ready? Frappé, 2, 3, 4, and grand-maman, close, grand-maman, plié, other side, and frappé, 2, 3, 4, grand-maman, close, grand-maman, plié, other side, and piqué, 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 other side, and front, side, back, side, plié, sous, turn, plié, and finish. Awesome. Keep on practicing so you will be ready to piece all three sections together. For this section, I will be combining all three sections with you. I'll talk it out so that you know the order of each step. Let's begin. We'll start in a first position and plié, relevé, 2, 3, 4. Add the arms, plié, relevé, plié, up, and 4. One leg, plié, up, 2, 3, extend, switch, plié, plié, relevé, close first. Tendus, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third, dégagé, dégagé back, dégagé side, plié, sous-sus. Other side, tendu front, tendu side, tendu back, tendu side, close third. Dégagé, 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 plié, sous-sus. Other side, fondu, relevé, fondu, side, fondu, back, sous-sus, turn away, fondu, back, fondu, side, fondu, front, sous-sus, turn towards the bar. Frappé, frappé 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Close third, grand-maman, close third, grand-maman, plié, other side, frappé, 2, 3, 4, and grand-maman, close third, grand-maman, plié, other side, piqué, 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 plié, sous-sus, left side, and front, side, back, side, plié, sous-sus, turn, plié, and finish. Good work. Let's try that together with music. Ready? Plié, up, 2, 3, 4. Using your arms, 2, 3, 4. One leg, plié, up, down, up, extend, switch, down, up, close first. Tendu front, tendu side, tendu back, tendu side. Third, dégagé, dégagé back, dégagé side, other side, and tendu, 2, 3, 4, dégagé, 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 plié, other side, fondu, relevé, fondu side, fondu back, sous-sus, turn, fondu, 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 relevé, sous-sus, and frappé, side, back, side, grand-maman, close, grand-maman, plié, left side, and frappé, 2, 3, 4, grand-maman, close, grand-maman, plié, other side, piqué, 1, 2, 3, 4, plié, sous-sus, left side, piqué, 1, 2, 3, 4, plié, and finish. Great work. Let's try it again, this time without me calling it out. Here we go.